welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So this comes to me from, what was it called? Radiant Round? Yeah, Radiant Round DIY. I think that's the name. I'll go pull up the information unless it's obvious on the box. So this is a full crystal diamond painting kit. Let me make sure that, nope, my name is on there, so not showing you the invoice. My name and address is in there. So these is from Radiant Round DIY. Okay, so I thought they were coming from, so they shipped from, I believe it was like Maryland in the US. Yeah, let me see if I could pull up. Well, it's not in there, but yeah, they shipped from Maryland. I'm in the West Coast of the US. I'm in Washington State, so I got 2 diamond paintings. Do I need to? So it does say, it just says DIY diamond painting Deutschland. So is this a German company? Maybe it's a German company, but this did ship from Maryland, I believe. So it comes in this box, comes rolled up. Okay, I was like, it seemed very, what's it called? Not heavy at all. So I thought, I was like, did I not get the drills? Okay, so my first thing I got was this diamond painting. It's like a stained glass rose. I know I have done another stained glass rose, but what's different about this company is that their drills are rhinestones. Ooh. So I've been kind of on this whole like doing some rhinestone diamond paintings. You know what? It's weird is they use the DMC number, so I kind of like that. This might help me if I have been starting to kind of bling up some of my round diamond paintings with leftover rhinestones. So if I do have, I'm probably going to end up keeping the bags of these so that I could put them back in there. And then when in my other rhinestones, I might try to like shade match with these so that I could kind of have a real DMC number, so it won't be so hard for me to figure out how to substitute diamonds. But yeah, look at those pretty rhinestone colors there. So yeah, this is the diamond painting I got. It is a stained glass rose. I'm hoping it'll look really, really awesome with rhinestones. So yeah, it does come with an inventory sheet that's only like a quarter of a page, maybe a little bit more than a quarter of a page, but it has all of them in there. It is a poured glue canvas. The canvas is a little stiff, like, and so this will probably need to flatten for a while under something. I don't think I'll be able to. I do kind of want to do one of these just because it is a new to me diamond painting company. They are not the cheapest, but they're also not the most expensive. So if I find that these are good, I'll probably buy more from this company, but we'll see. Okay, the plastic, not the best plastic. Very, very thin, but you don't pay for the plastic, right? Well, you don't really care about that plastic that much. So I will probably have to flatten this out. It is the canvas is very creased, but I'm not too worried. It is a poured glue canvas. So the drills well, the symbols are mostly letters, a couple symbols. I'm not sure if you can see it. But the drill field is a little dark. So the drill field, I don't know if you'll be able to see, is it gonna focus? Is a little dark on the dark symbols. So, but I think if you use a light pad, you won't have a problem. My problem is I don't use a light pad. So this I might, unless, I mean, these are all the same thing, so I don't need to read it. So yeah, so this, see, the one good thing about a light pad is you could usually see the symbols that are black. Light pads are not very good about seeing symbols that are white, I find. So yeah, no, it doesn't have any white symbols, so the dark colors you can't really see. It's not the clearest, but I'm gonna try without the light pad. I do have one. I'll take it out if I really, really need to. But yeah, here is the first one. And oh, the toolkit looks like just a basic toolkit, white boat with I don't know, a 9-placer, I think, I don't know, and the white pen, sparkly pen, so nothing special there. But I do like the fact that the drills, the crystal rhinestones, are with DMC numbers. So yeah, so oh yeah, I didn't say how much this was. So this was, so I bought 2 diamond paintings at the time I ordered, which was January 31. This one was normal price is $23, but they were having a promotion where for every $25 you got $5 off. So since I bought 2 and then my total was $51, I did get minus $10. So the 2 of them cost me $41. So if I just minus $5 from both of them, then this one cost me $18, which I don't think is, I think it was pretty good price for a 40 by 50. Oh yeah, so is this really a 40 by 50? Let's see. It does look like a 40 by 50 by just looking at it. So it's about a quarter off from 40. A quarter of a centimeter off from 40. And it's too ridged. It's hard to see. And it's 39. It's closer to 39. Or it might be bigger. It's just all these wrinkles. Yeah, it's like 39 1/4. So, yeah. This is the first one. So the second one I got, let's see. I need to move all the stuff aside because I don't want to, accidentally mix up the drills. So yeah, it's the same canvas. It is very stiff, which I'm not a big fan of the super stiff canvases because they do end up being pretty creased, but I have had success in just ironing them, so I'm not that worried. It's just, yeah, it would be nice if they laid flat right away, right? So here's the second one. So it's supposed to be this bottle. Yeah, you can see that. So I primarily got this because I do like the blue colors. So I wanted a diamond painting with a lot of blues. So this one is a 40 by 60. I don't think it's going to show all the details that are in the bottle. Just by looking at this real quick, I don't think I'm going to be able to see all the things that are in the bottle. So, but I'm hoping you'll just get kind of the idea that this is a bottle on the beach. But yeah, and this one is dark also. Like, all the symbols are black. So in the dark colors, they are pretty hard to read. Man, this is really bad for people like me who don't use light pads, but I think if you use light pads, you won't have a problem. But yeah, no, the symbols are very dark for some of them. I mean, it's awesome over here, although there are light guide circles, which I don't mind too much. Okay, so these are also, this is also a full rhinestone. It does look like it does use the DMC codes again, so this is 28 colors. But yeah, look at this. Look at how beautiful those colors are. I'm hoping this will turn out. If I were to do one of these first, I would probably do the what they call that, the rose one. But yeah, no, I'm hoping the rose one turns out well, and if it does, I will buy more from this company because I do like that they offer these full rhinestone kits. And this got to me really, really quickly because it did come from the US. And they shipped it right away. Like, I ordered on like Sunday, like in the morning, and then like I think within an hour I was already getting a shipping confirmation. So they sent it to me really, really quickly. Not sure the clarity, but I think as long as I get the gist of what this is, I did not expect to get the clarity for the size, but I just kind of I just like the image of the bottle in the sea. So even if I can't tell, I mean, there's supposed to be a ship here. I think I'll be able to see the ship here, but I don't think I'll be able to see the details of the rest of the stuff. But I think I kind of expected that, so I'm not like super disappointed in that. But I did want to get a full rhinestone kit, and this place was having that $5 off. So this one was $23 with the $5 off, and this is $39.50 by. Am I gonna be able to measure this with all the squish? It's hard to measure when the canvas is not flat. So it might very well be 59. I think it's 59. So it's a centimeter off, but yeah, here is this one. I will do inventory off screen, but if you do want an option in that ships from the US that you'll get it right away, this is an option. I was tempted to do Crystal Canvas USA, Crystal Canvas Art USA, I don't know, one of those, if that's the not right word, but these had that $5 off, so they were slightly cheaper at the point, and I just really wanted to do more crystal diamond paintings. So, but yeah, I don't know when I'll ever get to these, but that's the problem with having too much of a stash. So here's the second diamond painting, and here's the first one. Like I said, if I was gonna do one of these first, I would probably do this one just because I think this picture will turn out really, really beautiful as a crystal diamond painting. All right, so thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.